Hey guys, Lucas from iExplore here. Today I'm yet again shooting a video with Axel here on his home turf in Hachijojima where he lives. And today we're going to climb Hachijo Fuji, which is the biggest mountain. Well, there's really two mountains on this island. It's like two volcanoes that created this island. This is the main one. We're going to climb it. Of course, they call it Hachijo Fuji because it kind of vaguely looks like Fuji. There's a bunch of blah, blah, blah Fujis all over Japan. This is one of them. And of course, you can kind of tell it's quite hazy up here. It's a beautiful sunny day down on the island, but the mountain's up in the clouds. So I don't know what we're going to see, but going to climb it anyway. And there is a shrine up there, which might look really beautiful in the crater of the volcano. All right. So please don't forget to check us out on Patreon. It really helps us out if you support us on there, especially if you want to see us travel more outside of Japan. In this case, this is kind of my vacation. And by the way, we're shooting some videos, but we could do trips like this specifically for the purpose of shooting videos, but we need a little bit more funding basically. So please help us out. All right, let's get on to the video.
I explore.
Oh, there's somebody else on the trail. I thought I'd be alone here today.
What?
You again?
Not again! What are you doing here?
Yeah, I don't know. It's just a coincidence.
You're not a mountain guy.
Yeah, I'm not a mountain guy. That's true. What a surprise. So we're gonna climb it together, and yeah, we have a real professional mountain guide. Honestly, I was saying earlier that like I'm up here to climb the mountain. I wouldn't be climbing this. Axel didn't want to go. He's like, this is gonna be such a pain in the butt. But Chica really wanted to go because mountains are her thing. So
Yeah, once
so
we
here we
know
are.
Hachijojima.
Yeah.
We're gonna climb Hachijo Fuji.
So let's get going.
Yeah.
Let's start climbing. How long is the climb, Chica?
It's
Roughly?
about an hour.
About an hour?
Yeah.
Okay, good. When's lunch?
When's lunch? We just had lunch.
When's the second lunch?
Whenever you want.
So for you, Chica, I think this is a pretty easy hike, right? Extremely easy. Yeah.
Yeah, this is like a walk, just take a walk.
Yeah.
Daily walk, right?
I mean, you know,
hour.
I think it's pretty easy for me too, but I rarely do this, so I don't know. But so far so good after the first, 20 meters.
But it's still, I
Like
really like there's like a moss.
Yeah, it's beautiful up here. Very mossy. It's like a rainforest kind of. Right? Very foggy.
So.
When you climb like this, do you take photos on the way, or do you just mostly wait till you get to the top?
Most of the time I take photo on the way to the
okay.
top
All right.
because we're walking slower than the way back,
Right.
and then we can take a rest and then
I see.
take time.
Well, let's hope we see something cool in this forest, because I like a foggy forest shot.
Yeah, it's a nice breeze.
Yeah, and oh, look at this. This is cool. There's a little shrine here.
Oh,
I like that. This very, very beat up. We'll let the camera catch up. But there's a very, very like weathered, beat up
wooden shrine.
shrine. Yeah, that's cool. I'm gonna try to take a photo of that with my 14 while we're still taking a little break up here. Let's see if I can make it work. Whoa.
Is there something in there?
There is like a piece of wood.
Oh.
I guess with something written, but you can't even read it. Yeah, with 14 millimeter, I mean, you can get something, but it's not a great shot. All right. So, after a grueling 20-minute climb, maybe it was 30 minutes, I don't know.
Let's say 30, yeah.
So it wasn't really grueling, but it was kind of grueling because it's just stairs the whole way. But now we're here. Gives a little bit higher, but this is the crater.
And then there must be a crater here.
Yeah, it's down there.
Yeah.
And I guess this is the way down. So we're gonna go down there and look for the shrine. But should we go around first?
Let's go around first.
Chica,
because
I think we should go to the shrine first because it's obviously gonna be cloudy now. So the shrine is gonna be cool.
Okay.
And if we kill some time, maybe later
there's a chance.
There's a chance. And also we're gonna shoot the sunset. That's too early now.
Okay.
So let's go to the shrine. The show? Right? Ready? Let's go to the shrine.
Great.
All right. So I guess it's down there. I don't know. You're the navigator. What does your map
Let's
say?
check the GPS here. Yeah, it says down here.
It's down here. I love all these lichens on the rocks. There's so many.
Right.
That's crazy.
It's so cute.
After you.
Let's go.
Man, I imagine like going into the crater on a volcano like this that's got a jungle. I feel like we're gonna find like a lost civilization, you know? Indiana Jones style.
Maybe we have to fight the mosquito again.
Oh my god, the mosquitoes again, like at the hotel. I don't know which video is getting posted first, probably that one. So you guys who've seen it will know about the mosquito disaster over there. Although we didn't shoot the mosquitoes actually, we just talked about it. This is a cool view. Hold on a second, let me get a photo here. This is nice. I like this. Yeah, nice slow shutter here. Wow.
Just so nice atmosphere.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. I like really wide lenses for these kinds of paths because you can see the stuff in the foreground as well as in the background. Wow, I love all these ferns. Big ferny forest. It's quite dark in here, guys. I'm shooting on a 20th of a second f2.8. Keep the ISO pretty low.
It's gonna be good with your wide lens.
Oh yeah. This is beautiful right here.
Here too.
Yeah, but I will. But also this tree is gorgeous here. Axel's shooting this like a nature documentary over here. David Attenborough, two wild photographers. Crossroads? Is there two ways to go?
No, it's going this way, yeah. Going this way. This is like a danger.
Don't go there, dangerous. That's where the lava is in the crater, right?
This is easy to get lost.
Oh, especially with the fog. Prickly stuff?
This is pointy.
Pointy, prickly?
Oh, itai.
Is there a lot of it?
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks. Oh, yeah. Yep, that's spiky. All right. All right.
So today, this is the top. Yeah.
Last time was mosquitoes. This time it's prickly plants.
It's called azami.
Azami in Japanese. The purple thing, right?
Yeah.
What's that called in English? I forget. These purple things have a name.
Have a name.
Somebody on the internet will know. I don't know these things. I know what they're called. As soon as someone says it, I'll be like, oh, yeah, that's it. What are they called? Well, anyway, they have them in Japan too. They have them in America. Chicago, we have these where I'm from.
Look at this. This spider web looks like a cotton path.
It does.
And then I like this little, like drops around here.
How close can I focus to this? Let's see.
So pretty. Isn't it too close?
I mean, it did focus, but the depth of field is so shallow then that you really can't see anything. But maybe here I have a trick up my sleeve.
So cute.
Okay, here we go. So yeah, this is really cute, but I don't have like a great composition of it, you know?
Look at this.
Oh, that's really nice.
Cute.
Well, yours is way better. Maybe I'll shoot it from this side like you are. That's what I gotta do. Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
So yeah, the Ricoh GR has a very, like, I don't know, maybe not underrated, but like nobody ever talks about the macro function on this camera, and it's really, really excellent.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because, I mean, you know that, because you've seen me do it, and then you get jealous.
Oh, yeah.
Remember the flowers that we were shooting a while back?
That's nice.
That's nice, that little bit of web there. And then I don't need to do this on f2. I realize there's too much bokeh, I think. It's better on like 5.6.
So that you can see the spider web too.
Yeah.
Right.
So I'm trying to get these cobwebs like really just right. And it's really hard because I can't get close enough to that. I don't want to step on this nice mossy thing and ruin it, you know, but I'm trying to get really close and my hand's shaking a bit, probably also because I'm kind of tired from the climb. And, you know, I'm shooting on a slow shutter because I want the ISO to be low, and I'm on like f4, 2.8, so slight movements means it's like in and out of focus. So I find I'm not getting like exactly what I want. Honestly, this big camera's kind of in the way for me right now. Maybe this will do. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Finally, yeah, nice droplets there. But yeah, that's pretty nice. I'm quite happy with that. I'm shooting like 6 shots in a row, you know, just click, 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 holding it down. Because the GR has really good stabilization when, you know, you're shooting like a distant view. But for macro, I mean, you know, I don't think any camera would, the stabilization would be enough. You really need a tripod. And I have a tripod, but I don't want to set it up for this. I think it'd be very difficult. So just making it do with like in MacGyver mode, just doing my best to make it work, you know, patiently. And I feel like I got a really nice one of these beautiful dewdrops in the spiderweb here. How about you, Chica? How's it going?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay, great. So probably we'll be, I haven't been seeing her photos, so maybe we'll be showing all of her beautiful photos instead of my trash photos that I kept trying to take that were not coming out good. But I got a couple ones that I'm happy with. Yeah, I'm not really a nature photographer, but every once in a while when I'm out in nature, I don't hesitate to snap tons of photos because, oh, it's so muddy here. Woo! Because they're just, you know, I like shooting everything. I mean, people ask me sometimes, like, what do you like to shoot? And then they assume that because I shoot urban stuff so often that I don't like to shoot nature, like explicitly don't like to shoot it. But actually, you put me anywhere cool or interesting and I will shoot it. And even if you put me in a relatively boring place, I will probably figure out something to shoot. It's, to me, it's just, the fun part is just figuring out, you know, how to capture the beauty of things. Because when I'm in an environment like this, I mean, it's obviously beautiful, right? You don't need to be a rocket scientist to recognize the beauty, but it can be really tricky to capture the beauty in a camera, right? I love these trees here too. Aren't these gorgeous, Chica? Like this little path. This is like such a like wonderland, right? Like where the, you know,
Totally,
the elves or something live.
ほんとすごい。
Man, this place is so beautiful, but so tricky to shoot. Man, these trees are all just gorgeous. There's so many like old spider webs dangling on these trees.
Oh, that's cool.
This thing,
Yeah, that thing.
this spider web here,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's pretty cool. I should take the Rico back out. I found with the Rico on macro as well, sometimes it's just easier to do manual focus, put it on the absolute closest distance, and then just move the camera like in and out. Yeah, rather than trying to get the camera to focus, I'm just putting it there. It's on set to the closest distance, which is 6 centimeters. And I'm going to put on f4 because there's plenty of light here to give myself more DOF. And then I'm just trying to find like the sweet spot, which I can barely see. I did 5.6. And there we go. That one looks fantastic. Lots of droplets, very dreamy. Yeah, and some of them are out of focus. Ah, wow, there's one that's just, I nailed it. All right, a couple more just to be sure. Yeah, I mean, oh yeah, yeah, these are tack sharp, some of them. Some of them are totally out of focus because I'm moving it in and out, and I'm not sure, you know, this is where I'm sure somebody would think like, well, you see, this is why the Ricoh GR should have a flip out screen. And I mean, yeah, that's true. It would be nice if it had a flip out screen. It would make the camera bigger and probably a little more expensive to manufacture, but it's true, it would be easier to do shots like this.
Wow.
So the jungle is just getting thicker and thicker over here. Yeah, man, I love this stuff here. This
so
is really
beautiful.
Cool. Gorgeous. Wow.
Oh, we found
The
a shrine.
shrine.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, it's so narrow. There's like rocks.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Wow. Nice.
失礼します.
Wow.
So nice and.
Very cool. So it's it's a tori, and there's a little. I mean,
So, another tori.
yeah, there's another tori, and then you can barely even see the shrine, but there are these
There's
like rocks here that people
yeah,
painted. I guess this
painted.
is people's wishes.
Mm-hmm.
And
This
I
is
love
happy
that.
wedding.
Oh, there you go. And I love that there's these Doraemon ones, these Japanese cartoon character over here. That's cute.
It's so outstanding.
Yeah. It's just, it doesn't suit this area at all. But then again, that's Japan for you, right? There's lots of kawaii stuff everywhere. Cute stuff amongst the serious stuff. Cool. I wonder if I can get a shot with the pebbles, the rocks, and the tori in front. Yeah, totally. The power of the 14mm. So I did some, because I'm not sure about my depth of field, so I did some where I focused on like the closest rocks, kind of the middle ones, and then the gate itself over there, because that was an f2.8, actually I thought it was an f4. Let's do some on f4 then. No, I was on f4 for some of them, yeah. I did a mix, 2.8 and then 4. Just to make sure that, you know, I got everything in focus that I wanted, and I wasn't sure where the best focus place is. So sometimes people ask me, Lucas, where do you focus? I just kind of mix it up, and I take a bunch and then I decide later. All right, let's see from this angle what I can do. And then it feels like there's a path here, but it's not actually, right? It's just jungle. Yeah, do one like this. Oh, this is pretty nice. Very cool. I also want to eventually get one this way. Cool.
I'm gonna try theta.
Oh, that's a good idea. We've never done that in a video. To show the...
It's not a perfect place to use theta, but...
Yeah, but it might be cool. You want us to hide? Or should we all be in the shot?
Let's be, you know,
Okay, let's do it together.
together. 3, 3じゃなかった。
Adorable.
かわいい. You wanna see?
Oh yeah, that's great. Look at that.
見て.
Wow. All right, guys. So we'll stop here. We were, planning to shoot the sunset, but as you can see all around us, it's totally fogged out, so you can't see anything. And I think this beautiful little...
Yeah, it's still beautiful here.
Yeah, beautiful little shrine is a great place to end. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check us out on Patreon. Thank you so much to Chica for joining us on this video. And remember always...
Challenge your eye!
I explore.